In this video, I'm going to show you how to change currency on Admirals. Now to do this, first you want to sign into your dashboard, and there's actually no way to change the base currency of your Admirals account, and that's because the currency is linked to a specific trading account you are using. Therefore, we have to create a new demo account or a live account, so the trading account, and then set our currency there. So if you have them already, like me over here, as you can see, if I go here and click on account settings, there's actually no way for me to change the current currency, okay? So I can't actually do this. However, I can go and add a new one. I'm going to add a demo like this, and I'm going to do stocks and ETFs, press continue, and that way you can go and change your currency. So I'm going to click on this, click on continue. You can set how much you want over here, and then just click on open account, and that's all you have to do to actually, of course, change your currency, okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.